Morning students. Yesterday I had given you few questions to solve and today I am going to solve those questions. You have to check your answers in your notebook, okay? And if your answers are not correct, then please correct them by watching the video, okay? So now we are going to we are learning how to divide by a monomial, okay? We are going to divide a polynomial by a monomial. So let's try to divide it first. 21m square divisor is 7m. Now we need to convert the 7 into 21. So 7 3s are 21. That's why I am going to need 3. Okay, in the question. I have one m and we need m square. So that means we need one more m. Okay. So when we multiply these two together, we get 7 3s are 21. M multiplied by m is m square. When you subtract it, you get the remainder at 0. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 3m and remainder is 0. Okay. So let's solve the second one. 40a cube divided by minus 10a. 40a cube. Okay. Minus 10. Now we have minus 10, we need it as a positive 40. So we will multiply this minus by minus because the product of two minus is always positive. So minus 4. And we have a, we need a cube. So that means we need to multiply it by a square. That's how it has become minus 4a square. So when we multiply them, we get 40a cube. So the remainder is 0 and your quotient is minus 4a square. Okay. So minus 48p raised to 4. Write down. And this is minus 9p raised to 2. Okay. Now you will ask, ma'am, how to convert this 9 into 48. Right? So there's one thing. See, either you can do it by one way or the other way. Okay, I'm going to tell you what is the one way. Okay, so the first is 9 5s are 45, correct? So you can just write 5. P square, p raised to 4, that means we need p square. So when you do it like this, you get the value 45, correct? And what is your remainder? Your remainder is 3p raised to 4. So that's it. You can stop it here also, you can divide further also. But for right now, you just stop here. And the second method, I will continue when we are going to divide by the binomial. Okay. So I am going to tell you that time how to divide this number by this. Okay. Now what is the next? 40m raised to 5 and here 30m raised to 3. Now 30 ones are 30 and m raised to 3 means we need m square. Here m raised to 5. Your remainder is 10m raised to 5. Got it? So that's it for today. No, we have more questions. So you can pause the video, note down and then solve the next few questions. Okay, look at this. So we have 5x cubed minus 3x squared and here we have x squared. Okay, x squared to 5. So multiply by 5 and one more x because it's x cubed. So we get 5x cubed. So this will be 0. This minus 3x square will come down as it is. And therefore x and minus 3. I am going to multiply by minus 3. I will get minus 3x square and the remainder will be 0. The quotient will be 5x minus 3. Okay, next example. 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x divided by 7x cube. Yes. Okay, now 7 to 21 multiply by 3. X cube to x raised to 4 multiply by x. You will get 21x raised to 4. Subtract it, 0 minus 14 will come down as it is, plus 7x. 7 to minus 14 minus 2x. Okay, because see here, we have x cubed, we want x raised to 2. That means we need one more x less. Okay, we have 3 and we want 2x. So we need to cut 1, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to divide this by 1x. Okay, so we are going to divide by x. When we are going to divide by x, we are going to get x squared. So 7 to minus 14 you will get, and when you multiply, when you divide this x cube by x, x will get cancelled and you will get only x squared. Okay. So this will be 0, this will be plus 7x. Now see, we have 7, so we don't need to multiply by any coefficient, but we have x here. So what do we need to do? We are going to write 1 upon x squared, divided by x squared. Why? Because when we have 3x and when we divide by x squared, the 2x will cut the 2x and we will have only 1x. And 7 to be halves, that's why I have written 1. So this 1 upon x square multiply by x cube, 7x cube, we get 7x only. Okay, so the remainder becomes 0 and the quotient becomes 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 upon x square. If your answer is not correct, please check it out and write down the correct one. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm going to send you more questions based on how to divide a polynomial by a binomial, okay, tomorrow.